Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making shape filler on Scratch and I'm gonna show you how it works. So first draw any shape and then press space to fill it and it fills the shape. So now let's do it with another shape. Reset this and then let me draw a circle and press space. And it filled it. Now let's make it. Now let's go to, so I will delete the default cat and then paint sprite with empty. And now when the green flag is clicked, let's take the pen extension. It should erase all and take a forever loop and take an if else block. Now if we are mouse down, which means if we are clicking, then the pen should be down, else the pen should be up. And also put a go to mouse pointer here. So now we'll be able to draw. It's very thin. This pen is very thin, so let's change the pen size. So set pen size to 10. Yeah, I think that's more better. And I think I'll change the pen color to black. Okay, now let's make the filler. So make another sprite and zoom in. So now what you have to do is you have to make a small square of any color and it should be in the size of this pixel. Actually I don't need any outline, so it should be in the size of this canvas square. So now you should not put it in the center, you have to put it somewhere over here so that the sprite will be able to sense this black color. So we should leave it like this. So if we keep it in the center, the pen will be surrounding it, which means it won't be able to detect this black color. So if we move it over here, we won't be touching the pen, that will be in the center, so it will be able to detect this black circle. Okay, so now let's do the code. So let's drag a green flag option. Actually not a green flag option. When we click on the space key, then it should do the thing like fill the shape. So let's start from the center. So go to 0 0. We start from the center. Okay, there. And then it should, so let's take a repeat block. It should repeat like 300, so it'll go around the object. So we need to change this by 2 and we need to take a clone myself and that should make clones, and you should be able to see a circle here like this. Yeah, okay, so it's working. And then when I start as a clone, go to the pen and let's set the pen color to this color, this green color. Okay, and then let's put the green flag option there and let's set the pen size to 10 here, so there won't be any gaps between the pen lines. Okay, and okay, so then you need the pen to be down. And when I start the clone, take a repeat until, put it right here. And let's take the touching color block and select this black color here. So then add a move by, so you need to move by 4 steps. So this will move until it's touching this outline. So now let's see how that works. Yeah, it is okay. Oh, that's enough. Okay. So we need the pen down to be here. Yeah, so I have to draw a shape like this. If I press space, it'll fill it. Wait for some time, it'll fill. There, it filled. And there's one more thing you can do. You can just go here and add a delete clone by my delete this clone here. Then it will be more faster. Okay. And yeah, I think now it's more faster. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.